MapRight is a useful tool for finding your way to properties and finding your way around properties. In order to get started with MapRight, you're going to have to navigate to the MapRight.com website. Click Sign Up and fill in your information to create an account. As soon as you've created an account, you're going to have to go to the Play Store or App Store on your phone. In this case, I'm using an Android phone. Type MapRight into the search bar. Now go ahead and click Install. Now that the app is installed, we're going to open it up. You'll have to type in your email address and your password and click Sign In. Now the MapRight app is installed and ready to load maps. Now open your mobile browser and navigate to petersellsland.com. Scroll down and find the listing that you're interested in. Once you find the listing you're interested in, click on the listing and scroll down until you find a big red button that says Click to View Interactive Map. On the next page, you'll have to click on another button that will say either Open in Android or Open in iPhone. This will open up the interactive map in MapRight. Once the map is loaded, it's going to be helpful to store this map for offline use in case the property you plan on going to has poor cell phone reception. In order to save this map, you're going to have to click the menu button in the top left corner of the app with 3 lines and then click Store for Offline. Make sure to select certain layers to save on the map, such as water features, wetlands, and FEMA floodplains. Once you've selected those, click Save for Offline Use. To find the map you just stored for offline use, open up MapRight again and click on Shared Maps next to My Maps at the bottom of the app. You'll find the map that you just stored, and you can load it up again. Once the map loads, click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner. This will bring up a menu with options on how to interact with this map. From this menu, you can select Get Directions to find your way to the property. Click on the box that says From and select My Location. Now click on the box that says To and then select Place on Map. Once you click on Step-by-Step Directions, it will open up Google Maps and you can navigate to the property. When you arrive at a property, MapRight will display the property boundaries. It also has a feature that allows you to see your real-time location on the map with a GPS point, which means that as you walk around the property, you can tell where you are in relation to the boundaries and other landmarks. To enable the GPS locator on the map, once again click the gear wheel in the bottom right corner. This will bring up a menu and you can click Show My Location. You can rotate the map and zoom in or out using 2 fingers on your touchscreen. There's a compass in the top right so you always know which way is north with the red arrow. If you want to reset the map, all you have to do is click on the compass and north will point upward again. Now you're ready to find your way around a property using MapRight.